Hey, I'm Irene the Queen, and today I'm going to show you how to use dry shampoo. Step 1. Shake. Step 2. Part your hair down the middle. Step 3. Cover your head and spray in a zigzag pattern over the top of your part. Make sure you take your part down the back of your head. Step 4. Take roughly an inch section over to the left or right of your part. Also make sure that goes down the back of your head. Then spray that part. Step 5. Continue repeating down each side of the head. Step 6. Massage your head as if you were shampooing your hair. You can be as gentle or as aggressive as you feel like. Step 7. Part your hair where you normally part it. Step 8. Run your brush through your hair. Step 9. Enjoy your freshly styled, clean feeling, nice and voluminous hair. Step 10 or 11, I don't know, I lost track of where we're at. Blissfully enjoy your day, knowing you're not the smelly kid at work or school, all the while knowing your hair is dirty and nobody else can tell. Thank you for watching this super short hair tip. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button down below. Also hit subscribe, it's somewhere down below. And I will see you soon with another short hair tip. Bye!